Hi, I'm Bob Smiley. I play saxophone and various whatnot with Catchy Chubby. And this is...
My name is Jason Joshua Hernandez Rodriguez, 30 years old, and I play with this guy in Catchy Chubby.
Very, very like on point all night about being 30.
You can stream the album on through OK Player, which The Roots, they have a record label and a blog called OK Player, and they actually put out our record. Like, they have our record for streaming still online. So you can stream it there, you can buy it on iTunes, or you can wait till this winter and cop it on vinyl. Recording the album though, we recorded it, I would say...
Bulk of it we recorded at SAE?
I guess maybe in 5 or 6 places.
That's a true stage. We recorded it at the Cave, which is what we used to call the old pad where we all crashed and rehearsed.
Yeah.
We recorded it at SAE, part of it. Kind of all over the place. At Jay's place.
Yeah, my place.
At Dre's place.
Dre's place.
Dre and Jay, different people. Dre.
My old bedroom in the Cave.
Yes.
That's where I recorded. I brought drums into a bathroom-sized room and played drums on the first track, and did a lot of stuff. We experimented a lot.
Yeah, man, we've definitely been listening to a lot of Beach Boys and a lot of particularly Paul McCartney's Ram and Paul McCartney 2 and stuff like that. Really sort of spacey, psychedelic stuff, you know. We had the concept for doing a psychedelic soul album, which is kind of where we went with that. You know, there's if you listen to the album, it's kind of all over the place. It's got some really childish stuff. It's got some really deep, dark stuff. There's some dark stuff on there too, man. There's it kind of goes all over the place, but definitely in the term of psychedelic soul.